In this video, I will show you how to count birthdays by year in Excel like this using two methods. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some birthdays in this column. Now I want to count the total number of birthdays by years given in this column. To do that, we can use the COUNTIFS function. The COUNTIFS function returns the count of the cells that match multiple criteria. We can provide more than one pair of cell ranges and match criteria as the function arguments. Since we already have the year in this column, I will create two dates for this year using the date function. The first date will be the first day of that year, which is 1st January, and the second date will be the last day of that year, which is 31st December. For example, for this cell, these dates will be 1st January 2020 and 31st December 2020. Once I have the first and last days of the year, I will use the COUNTIFS function to count all birthdays given in each of these cells that fall between these two dates. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type COUNTIFS followed by an opening bracket. Select the range of the cells containing birthdays as the first argument. Now type the greater than or equal to sign in the double quotes. Let's concat the first date of the year using the ampersand character like this. Select the same range of the cells as the third argument. Now type less than or equal to sign in the double quotes. I am going to concat the second date of the year to the less than or equal to sign. Type the closing bracket for the COUNTIFS function. Since we want to count birthdays for multiple years, I am going to make the range reference absolute using the dollar signs like this, so that when we copy or drag the formula, the range of the cells remain constant. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. Drag the cell down from the bottom right corner to copy the formula to other cells. As you can see, we now have the count of birthdays by year given in these cells. There is an easier way to count dates by year using the SUMPRODUCT function. Here is the formula to do that. Here, the year function returns the years of each date in the given cell range. Since there are 8 cells in the range, the year function returns an array of 8 elements containing the years of each cell. This part of the formula then compares each year with the year given in the years column, which is 2020. This comparison returns an array of 8 elements containing true, false, 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 true, false, false, and false. The true value is returned when the year is 2020 and the false is returned when the year is not 2020. For the SUMPRODUCT function to work, we need to convert these true and false values to 1 and 0 respectively. We did that by applying the double negative minus minus. After applying the double negative, we get an array of 8 elements containing 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, and 0. Finally, the SUMPRODUCT function sums up the array elements and the result of that is 2. Let's copy the formula to other cells. As you can see, we now have the birthday count for each year. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.